Ever wonder why some people effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle? What if I told you there's a hidden key to unlocking financial abundance? It's not about luck, inheritance, or even a high-paying job. It's about tapping into a powerful force within you. For years, we've been fed the wrong ideas about money. We're told to work hard, save diligently, and invest cautiously. While these are important, they are not the complete picture. They miss the crucial element: your mindset. The hidden key to financial abundance is not a secret formula or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about understanding the power of your mind and aligning it with the energy of wealth. Many of us unknowingly sabotage our financial success with limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts and assumptions we hold about money, often inherited from our upbringing or societal conditioning. You might say things like, "Money is the root of all evil," or "Rich people are greedy." These beliefs, while seemingly harmless, create a subconscious block to attracting wealth. They keep you trapped in a cycle of scarcity. To unlock your financial potential, you must first identify and dismantle these limiting beliefs, challenge their validity, and replace them with positive affirmations. The first step to unlocking your financial potential is cultivating an abundance mindset. This means shifting your perspective from one of lack and limitation to one of limitless possibilities. It's about believing there's enough for everyone and that you deserve to have it all. An abundance mindset is not about denying the reality of financial challenges. It's about choosing to focus on the good, on the opportunities that surround you. When you operate from a place of abundance, you attract more of it into your life. You become a magnet for wealth, drawing in opportunities, resources, and people who can help you achieve your financial goals. This shift in mindset is an ongoing practice requiring conscious effort. Living with an abundance mindset means embracing the belief that there's more than enough for everyone. It's about recognizing the infinite possibilities and opportunities that life offers. This mindset shift is not about denying the existence of challenges or pretending that everything is perfect. Instead, it's about choosing to focus on the positive, the possible, and the abundant resources available to you. Imagine approaching life with a deep knowing that you are inherently deserving of wealth and happiness. This belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, attracting opportunities and resources that align with your aspirations. Section 5. Scarcity versus abundance, a tale of two mindsets. The difference between a scarcity mindset and an abundance mindset is profound. Scarcity sees the world through a lens of lack, constantly fearing there's not enough to go around. This fear drives competition, hoarding, and a perpetual sense of dissatisfaction. Abundance, on the other hand, sees the world as overflowing with opportunity. It recognizes that one person's success doesn't diminish another's, fostering collaboration, generosity, and a spirit of shared prosperity. Imagine two individuals approaching a business deal. The one with an abundance mindset sees it as an opportunity for mutual gain, seeking creative solutions that benefit everyone involved. Section 6. Shifting your mindset, shifting your reality. Shifting from a scarcity to an abundance mindset is a transformative process. Start by cultivating gratitude for what you already have. Instead of focusing on what's missing, appreciate the abundance already present in your life. Practice positive affirmations daily. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, books, and communities that inspire and uplift you. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Section 7. The power of giving. A counterintuitive path to wealth. One of the most powerful yet often misunderstood keys to unlocking wealth is giving. It may seem counterintuitive, but the more you give, the more you receive. This isn't about expecting something in return. It's about aligning yourself with the flow of abundance. When you give freely, whether it's your time, money, or talents, you tap into a universal law of reciprocity. You send out a powerful message to the universe that you believe in abundance and are willing to share it with others. This act of giving creates a ripple effect, not just in the lives of those you touch, but also in your own. Giving doesn't have to be about large sums of money. It can be as simple as offering a helping hand. Generosity is more than just an act of kindness. It's a powerful tool for personal transformation. When you consistently choose to give, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. The act of giving cultivates a sense of gratitude for what you have. It reminds you of your own blessings and fosters a spirit of appreciation for the good in your life. This, in turn, attracts more abundance into your experience. Giving also strengthens your connection to others and fosters a sense of community. Moreover, generosity opens your heart to receive. Countless successful individuals attribute their wealth in part to their commitment to giving. Take Bill Gates, for example. He's not only one of the richest men in the world, but also one of the most generous, having donated billions to charitable causes through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Oprah Winfrey, another example of success and generosity, has donated millions to various educational initiatives and disaster relief efforts. Her philanthropic work is a testament to her belief in the power of giving back. These individuals understand that true wealth is not measured solely by the size of one's bank account, but also by the impact they make on the world. Their generosity is an integral part of their success. The beauty of giving is that it often leads to unexpected opportunities. When you give without expecting anything in return, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities that you might never have imagined. Perhaps you volunteer your time at a local charity and meet someone who becomes a valuable business contact. Or maybe your act of kindness towards a stranger inspires them to connect you with a life-changing opportunity. The universe works in mysterious ways, and often, the most significant rewards come when we least expect them. By focusing on giving, you shift your energy from scarcity to abundance. True financial abundance is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about aligning your finances with your values. When your spending and investment decisions reflect your core beliefs, you create a life of purpose and fulfillment. Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? What kind of impact do I want to make on the world? Your answers to these questions will reveal your core values, guiding your financial decisions towards a more meaningful life. By aligning your finances with your values, you create a virtuous cycle where your money becomes a tool for positive change. Making values-driven financial decisions starts with identifying your core beliefs and priorities. What are the guiding principles that shape your worldview and influence your choices? Once you've identified your values, consider how you can align your financial decisions with these principles. If you're passionate about social justice, consider supporting businesses owned by minorities or women, or invest in companies committed to ethical labor practices. Remember, every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. By making conscious, values-aligned financial decisions, you contribute to a more just, equitable, and sustainable future. Your values serve as your financial North Star, guiding you towards a fulfilling and purposeful relationship with money. They help you make decisions that are not only financially sound, but also aligned with your deepest aspirations. When you align your finances with your values, you experience a sense of congruence and integrity. Your money becomes a tool for self-expression, allowing you to live authentically and make a positive impact on the world. This alignment creates a powerful sense of purpose and fulfillment. It transforms your relationship with money from one of stress and scarcity to one of joy and abundance. The journey to financial abundance is an ongoing process of learning and growth. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed about new trends, strategies, and opportunities. Commit to lifelong learning, read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors who can share their knowledge and experience. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different investment strategies and financial tools. Find what resonates with you and aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. In today's rapidly changing world, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for financial success. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies, investment opportunities, and economic trends emerging all the time. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest developments in the financial world. Subscribe to reputable financial publications, follow industry experts on social media, and attend webinars and conferences to expand your knowledge. Don't be afraid to embrace new technologies and platforms that can simplify your financial life and open up new investment opportunities. By staying informed and adaptable, you can navigate the ever-changing financial landscape with confidence. Countless individuals have embarked on inspiring journeys to financial freedom, proving that it's possible to achieve your financial dreams with determination, perseverance, and the right mindset. Take the story of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Starting with just $5,000 in savings, she turned her innovative idea for footless pantyhose into a billion-dollar business empire. Her journey is a testament to the power of believing in yourself and your vision. Another inspiring example is Daymond John, the founder of FUBU and a star investor on the hit show Shark Tank. He started his clothing line with just $40 and the support of his family, eventually turning it into a global brand. Remember, the journey to financial abundance begins in the mind. By cultivating an abundance mindset, embracing the power of giving, aligning your finances with your values, and committing to continuous learning, you can unlock your full financial potential. The path to abundance is not always easy, but it's a journey filled with growth, fulfillment, and the satisfaction of creating a life of purpose and prosperity. Start today by identifying one small step you can take towards financial freedom. Whether it's setting a budget, exploring a new investment opportunity, or simply shifting your mindset towards abundance, every action counts. The path to abundance awaits. Take the first step and begin your journey today. Now I want to hear from you. What resonated with you most from this video? What steps are you committed to taking to unlock your financial abundance? Share your thoughts, insights, and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration as we embark on this journey to financial freedom together.